friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make coconut laddu. It's a very simple recipe with very less ingredients but a very delicious sweet recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a heavy bottom pan and add 1 cup of grated coconut. Dry roast for 5 minutes in low flame until the coconut is moist free. Now it's nicely done, so remove 2 tablespoons from that for later use. Maintain the flame in low throughout the process. Now add half teaspoon of ghee to it. Continue mixing for another minute until they are well combined. Now add half cup of boiled milk and mix it well. Continue mixing until the milk is completely absorbed by the coconut. It will take around 5 minutes. Now the milk is completely absorbed, so let's start adding half cup of sugar. Mix it well. The sugar will start to release water and it will become a little watery. No worries, it will become dry soon. After 10 minutes, it has started to form shape. Let's continue mixing for another 2 minutes. Now the coconut is well combined and no more sticking to the pan, so let's off the flame. Transfer it to a bowl and allow it to cool for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, so grease your hands with ghee and make small balls. You can go with any size of your choice. I made 8 laddus out of this. Now coat your laddus with roasted coconut. Now your super delicious coconut laddus are ready to serve. Do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.